Ever wondered if there's a secret handshake between your favorite scheduling tool and all the other incredible software you use every day? That seamless flow of data, the magical ability for one platform to talk to another without you having to be the human go-between. It's a powerful concept, isn't it? The idea that your customer information in your CRM could automatically update their appointment details in your scheduling app, or that a new booking could instantly trigger an invoice in your accounting software. This isn't just about convenience. It's about efficiency, accuracy, and unlocking a whole new level of productivity for your business. We live in an interconnected world, a digital ecosystem where the strength of your workflow often depends on how well your various tools collaborate. If they're all operating in their own silos, independent and isolated, you're constantly engaged in manual data entry, prone to errors, and missing out on the exponential benefits of automation. Think about it. Every time you manually transfer a client's name and email from one system to another, that's time lost and a potential for a typo. Every time you have to check 2 different calendars to ensure you don't double book, that's mental energy expended that could be better spent on strategizing or serving your clients. This is precisely why the concept of an application programming interface, or API, is so revolutionary. In simplest terms, an API is a set of rules and protocols that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. It's like a universal translator, enabling disparate systems to understand and share information seamlessly. For businesses, this translates into incredible opportunities for automation, customization, and ultimately, growth. Imagine the possibilities: custom booking flows embedded directly on your website, real-time data synchronization with your CRM, automated follow-up emails triggered by appointment status changes, or even building your own custom dashboards with specific metrics pulled directly from your scheduling data. The potential for innovation and streamlined operations is truly immense. So, with that context in mind, a question naturally arises for users of one of the most popular scheduling platforms out there. Does Setmore have an API? Can this widely used appointment scheduling system integrate with your other critical business tools? Or is it a standalone island in your digital workflow? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. Setmore does indeed offer a robust API, and understanding how to leverage it can be a game-changer for your business. Setmore's API is designed to empower developers and businesses to extend the functionality of their Setmore accounts in incredibly powerful ways. It opens up a world of possibilities for custom integrations, automation, and building tailored solutions that perfectly fit your unique operational needs. Think of it as a toolkit that allows you to tap into the core data and features of Setmore and weave them into your existing software infrastructure. Let's delve into what this means in practical terms. What can you actually do with the Setmore API? The possibilities are vast, but here are some key areas where it truly shines. Firstly, custom booking experiences. While Setmore provides excellent booking pages, you might have specific branding requirements or a unique user journey you want to implement on your own website. With the API, you can pull available staff and service information directly from Setmore and build entirely custom booking forms that seamlessly integrate with your existing website design. This allows for a truly branded and optimized booking flow that can enhance the customer experience and potentially increase conversions. Secondly, CRM and marketing automation integration. This is where the real power of an API often becomes evident. Imagine a new client booking an appointment through Setmore. With the API, you can automatically push that client's information, their name, email, phone number, the service they booked, and the appointment time, directly into your CRM system. No more manual data entry. Furthermore, this integration can trigger automated workflows in your marketing automation platform. A new client might receive a welcome email series or a reminder about their upcoming appointment, all without any manual intervention on your part. This not only saves time but also ensures consistency in your customer communication. Thirdly, custom reporting and analytics. Setmore provides its own set of reports which are incredibly useful. However, what if you need more granular data? Or want to combine your scheduling data with financial information from your accounting software or customer demographics from your CRM? The API allows you to extract raw data from your Setmore account, enabling you to build custom reports and dashboards using business intelligence tools. This gives you a more holistic view of your operations and allows for deeper insights into your busiest times, most popular services, and client trends. Fourthly, calendar synchronization and management. While Setmore offers integrations with popular calendars like Google Calendar and Outlook, the API provides even greater control. You could build a custom internal calendar system that aggregates appointments from multiple Setmore accounts, or even integrate with niche calendar applications that aren't natively supported. This ensures that your entire team has a unified and accurate view of all scheduled activities. Fifthly, building custom applications and internal tools. For larger organizations or those with very specific needs, the Setmore API allows for the development of entirely custom applications. This could be an internal tool for staff to manage their schedules, a mobile app for clients to book and manage appointments, or even a specialized dashboard for managing specific types of bookings. The only limit is your imagination and development capabilities. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually use it? Accessing and utilizing the Setmore API typically involves a few key steps. First, you'll need to obtain API credentials from your Setmore account, which usually involves generating an API key or token. This key acts as your digital passport, authorizing your application to communicate with Setmore's servers. Next, you'll need to consult the Setmore API documentation. This is your comprehensive guide, detailing all the available endpoints, parameters, and expected responses. It will explain how to make requests to the API, for example, how to retrieve a list of services, create a new appointment, or update client information. The documentation will also cover the authentication process, data formats, often JSON, and error handling. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.